YouTube. So today I'm gonna be doing some empanadas. I've been cooking a lot now that I'm home. It's been like a couple of months home, and I never really cooked before, and I've been cooking a lot. And then my hubby's like, why don't you do some of the stuff you do now? So that's what I'm doing, like, super easy, and I thought you guys would enjoy to see this. So I'm gonna be making some empanadas with some with ground turkey, some with just cheese, and then a mixture of cheese and ground turkey. So let's get started. So this is the frozen dough that I'm gonna be using. I already took them out of here and put them to defrost. Let me show you guys where I put them. So this is what I'm gonna use. So I have them here defrosting. They're in here defrosting. They're supposed to get I guess like room temperature. They shouldn't be cold, so we shall see. Okay guys, so I showed you earlier they were all piled up together when they're defrosting, and now I put them aside because I wanted to make sure they completely were defrosted and room temperature, and that's what they are now. So they're here. I'm just gonna move them to the side because I need to start chopping the onions. Here I have the ground turkey. It's sitting in apple cider vinegar, and I put also a lemon in there. I hate to taste like any taste of like meat or chicken or any type of those tastes, so it's sitting there for a while till I start getting the onions and everything ready. And here I have, so I literally put a little bit of oil just to like coat the pan, since we're already going to be frying the empanadas. I didn't want to use too much oil in the foods, that's not good. So let's get started. So I am going to put the onions to cook for a little while. I have the level set at medium high. Usually it's like at 5, or just medium is considered. I let it cook in there while I cut up all the other ingredients. Green pepper I don't always put, but I had some left, so I didn't want it to go to waste. And then some tomato. Now for the rest of the ingredient, this is some oregano, this is some ginger garlic paste, this is some sea salt, some adobo, some turmeric, and some paprika. Okay guys, so the ground turkey is cooking, and I have the oil here. It's starting to heat up. I think I'm gonna start off with the cheese empanadas in the meantime, start doing those. Once the ground turkey is ready, then I'll go on to those. Let me show you the pan that I have that it's the oil is heating up. So here you go. It needs a good amount of oil. That's heating up. Now let's get started with the cheese empanadas. Alright, so I'll be adding some whole milk mozzarella cheese. And who doesn't eat some cheese when you're cutting it? I do. So I spoke to my friends, and he also suggested adding some Swiss cheese instead of whole milk cheese, so you guys can try that too. This is I'm putting the egg wash. Very important. I tried to do it before without putting the egg wash, and that was a fail. And then you just use a fork and seal the ends all around. Now the oil is nice and warm. I'm putting it in. I had it at level 6. That was the perfect level. I also had the plate ready with the paper towel to soak out the oil. Now I'm doing the ground turkey, putting that in, putting the egg wash, which is literally just beating one egg and putting it all around. Then also, something else I didn't do that you should do is poke holes in the middle of the front and the back of the empanada, just so big bubbles don't burst, and then everything you have inside the empanada will come out. Hey guys, so these are my cheese, and these are my ground turkey, and then the ground turkey and the cheese are finishing up now. So that's it. Hey guys, we're doing it again. Another wanted to do it with me, so let them know, Nelly. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. And what are we gonna tell them? Have a beautiful, blessed life. Peace. Peace. Right here, right here.